Need the text from a YouTube video without typing anything yourself? In this video, I will show you the fastest step by step to get the transcript from any YouTube video in just a few clicks. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. Let's go jump into the video. First, open any browser and go to YouTube. Then in search bar, search the video that you like to get the transcript. Then in video description, there is an option called more. Click on it. Then scroll down and there you will get another option, show transcript. Click on it. In the right side, you will see the transcript. Here you could scroll through and see the entire video as text, or you could also click on any specific line to jump the exact moment in the video. You can also choose to copy and paste all of this transcript as text in an external document. YouTube used to offer a feature where you could eliminate the timestamps when viewing the entire transcript. Unfortunately, this feature has been removed for now. But the best way to solve for this is to copy the transcript and paste it into your favorite AI assistant and ask for the timestamps to be removed. As you can see, I am already open ChatGPT and give command to ChatGPT remove the timestamps. Then I'm going to paste the transcript. Then I'm going to press enter. As you can see, there is no timestamps and you can copy this text and paste in your any Word documents or Google Docs, etc. And there is no timestamps. How simple is this? Now you know how to quickly get the transcript from any YouTube video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. That's all for today, my friend. Take care and goodbye.